Back to my channel. Today I'm doing a frontal install with some hair from Cynosure. I believe that's how you say their name. I'll have the correct spelling and links down below. Anyway, I've already braided down the hair, and I'm going to be using a 18-inch closure and a 18-inch, 20-inch, and a 22-inch bundles of water wave hair from Cynosure Hair. And here I've already braided. I applied 3 layers of Ghost Bond. Also, I had previously added some like darker foundation to kind of match her skin. And this lace was transparent, so I really didn't have to do too much to it. I did go in and bleach the knots, but I didn't have to because the lace is so thin. Anyway, here's the hair. It's really pretty hair. Here's the frontal, here's the bundles, and they're really soft and curly, and it looks really cute on. You will see that at the end. Anyway, here I'm just placing the frontal. I always start placing the frontal in the middle, and I just kind of get it situated, make sure it's even and exactly where I want to place it before I start pressing it. Then I will take my metal rat tail comb and just start pressing it down lightly with either the comb teeth or the metal part or even my fingers, and make sure that it is in place and getting ready to get set. So here I'm just going to take a needle and thread, and I always start sewing my frontal in the back. I always start in the middle and sew down toward the ear, and then I start over once I'm done sewing from down to one ear. I'll start in the middle again and sew down to the next ear, and it always ensures that I have a very flat, secure frontal. So this is what I'm doing here now, sewing the frontal down. I start in the middle, and I'm just gonna sew from the middle down to the top of the ear. Okay, so I'm done sewing the frontal down, and I just want to get the hair prepared to tie down so that the glue can cure in the front. So I want to tie the hair down. You can leave those ear tabs if you want to, but I went ahead and cut around the ear to cut that extra lace off, and then I used some black wrapping strips and tied the hair down. So here I'm just sewing the longest bundle, the 22-inch bundle. I'm sewing it in, and I'm just going under the first braid, and I'm sewing in close stitches, and I'm just gonna go from side to side, and you'll see me do that in a repetitive motion over and over until I'm done sewing. But just follow along with me while I finish sewing. Okay guys, and I just want to stress how important it is to, after you get done watching this video, to hop on over, click on over, go on over to Instagram and Facebook, follow me, and send me a friend request on Facebook, because this client that I'm doing her hair right now, she actually won this hair in a giveaway. So I did this hair in a giveaway on my Facebook page, and she followed all the steps that I required to win the hair and to win an install. And so she got some free hair, she got a free install, and she didn't have to pay nothing. So it's very important that you go and click the links to my Instagram and my Facebook and follow me religiously, so that you can be one of the next people to win either some hair or install, or both, or hair, makeup, and install, or whatever. So it's very important that you follow me on my page, and I'll also have those links listed below in the description box. Okay guys, so just like I said, I'm just going side to side, sewing side to side, flipping over at the end, and I'm not going to cut any of the bundles until I get to the very last track, and then that track I will connect to the edge of the frontal. So you'll see me do that. So here I'm just continuing to go side to side with the bundles and flipping over at the end, making sure that the ends are secured, and then here with a black wrapping strip, and we're just gonna style it. Okay, so I got the baby hair looking right. I'm just gonna take a black wrapping strip and wrap it around the baby hairs, over her ears and to the back. And then here I'm taking the Design Essentials, the curl refresher, the coconut curl refresher spray, and I'm spraying it down. Then I'm taking some water and I'm spraying it down also with the water to like enhance the curls. And I'm taking a paddle brush and I'm just brushing the hair out and detangling it really well, which there was really no tangles in it anyway, but I'm just brushing it out and getting the curls to start forming and in motion. And the hair is really pretty. So here I'm just taking a little Nairobi's foam lotion just to kind of set and lock the curls in so that they'll stay pretty and bouncy like they are. And then here I'm taking just a little bit of the Proclaim 7 oil, just so that the hair can stay moisturized, because you all know that curly hair is high maintenance and is dry, and if it doesn't have a lot of moisture in it, it will start to tangle up. So you want to keep some type of moisture in all of your curly hair. So anyway, here I'm just parting out, because she's going to do a half up, half down style with like a little side ponytail. So I'm just parting the hair out, and I'm going to clip the back. I'm going to clip it away so I can get the hair pulled up in a ponytail. And I'm just going to use some Nairobi foam wrap to get the hair pulled up in a ponytail, and you'll see me doing that right here. And then I'm just going to use my comb, my rat tail comb, and smooth it and make sure that everything is laying down pretty good. This is some curly hair, so you don't have to get this hair perfect, but it'll slick up really easy. But just want to smooth it out as good as you can. And then just take a rubber band or a ponytail holder and place the ponytail wherever you want it to go. I put the ponytail in the middle, but I actually had the ponytail kind of laying to the side. And so once you get done with that, just tighten it, you know, pull it apart and tighten it, and then take a little piece of hair from the back or from the ponytail, and then just start wrapping it around until you run out of that hair. Once you get done wrapping it, I just took a little bobby pin and pinned it in the back of the ponytail, under the ponytail, I want to say. I pinned it. And then I'm just going to take a little pump it up, I believe, because I think I was out of the freeze spray. So I'm just taking a little bit of pump it up just to make sure that the wrap around the ponytail stays in place. Spraying it with just a little bit more water to make sure that it is hydrated and looking very water wavy. Prepping it just a little bit. And then here I'm going to take the scissors and cut the black wrapping strip off of her hair. And then here you just want to make sure if any baby hairs came out of place when you pull that wrapping strip off, just smooth them back into place. And then I'm finished. I done my job, girl. I am done. Do you see that? What lace? What lace are you guys talking about? Anyway, this hair was sent to me by Cynosure. They send 18, 20, and 22-inch bundles in an 18-inch frontal. And it is so pretty. I did her makeup today because Lakeitha wasn't available. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click that notification bell so that you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. Thank you, guys.